Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Hobby Lobby haul and let me show you what I picked up. My trip to Hobby Lobby this week, I picked up a few clearance items. I found this quilling paper in the clearance section. It is 1/8 inch wide and there's 100 paper in here. So the regular price is $2.99 and I paid 75 cents. This was the only one on the shelf. And then I went down the embroidery aisle. I picked up these. I mainly went to visit my yarn section to pick up some gold threading, but I decided to go ahead and pick these up too. These will come in handy for Christmas. So I have the red and the green, and they are by Artis. The regular price is $2.49 and I paid 62 cents each. And yeah, I picked up 4 each. And from the ribbon section, I picked up this here. This is from the floral section, I should say. You know, the ribbon aisle next to the floral. I found this. It is $4.99 and I paid $1.24. It is 1/8 inch wide by 225 feet. Look at that. This was the last one on the shelf. And it's like a purple color. Look at that. I like that color. Quite happy with it. I also decided to pick up this one. This is the navy blue. Look at that. It is like really dark. I'm quite happy I decided to pick that up too. And then there were other ribbons on sale, but these are the only 2 that I was interested in. So these 2 came home with me. So my main reason for stopping at Hobby Lobby this week was to pick up this thread. It is the gold sequin thread. Because see, look, it has tiny sequins on the thread in itself. It gives it that extra sparkle. And it is by Yarn Bee and it's a bejeweled sequin gold. And I paid $4.99. So I picked it up in the gold and I picked it up in the silver. I have a silver one already somewhere in the house because I can't seem to find it. I went through my yarn box and my thread box and I can't find it. It just disappeared. So I picked up a backup. In case I need it right away. And then I went to the bakery aisle and picked this up. I had a reason I wanted this because they look at this. They look like donuts, right? Miniature donuts. How cute. So that was my reason for that. And the bakery aisle was 50% off. So I paid $2.49 for this mold here. And it does have 48 cavities. Look at that. So that is the other reason I visit my Hobby Lobby this week. The last reason I stopped at Hobby Lobby is this. This was a very important purchase. Now these are the cube lollipops. Look at that. They are cinnamon flavor. And then I used to pay like 50 cents maybe. It could have been 59 cents. But I noticed the prices went up on these also. These are now 69 cents each, in case you guys need a lollipop. Well, that is my Hobby Lobby haul this week. I am hoping that this coming week I will be able to find more clearance items. Because I am still waiting for the candles and all the wall arts. You know how they all go on sale? It still has not happened in my store, so I am looking forward to the candles going markdown next. So I am waiting on that. Thank you for joining me today for my Hobby Lobby haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.